Hey, what's up, guys? Andre here, and of course, we got Baby Jackson. Happy New Year, everybody. What I'm going to talk about in this video, I'm going to be letting you know how you could get free leads and sales from Instagram. So, how to get free leads and sales from Instagram. A couple people have been asking me uh, how I get traffic from Instagram, so I decided to shoot a quick video. I'm using this platform. I'm gonna be logging in into my Instagram account from my computer, as I don't know how to do it from my phone. If I knew how to do it, in terms of like do a recording and explain it on the video as well, but I have no idea. So I'm gonna try to explain this as best as possible. That's right, Jackson. I'm gonna explain this as best as I can. So I'm gonna quickly share my screen, and I'm just gonna walk you through it step by step. So before you start advertising on Instagram, you always want to figure out who you're trying to market to, who's your target audience, who are you trying to recruit, right? Most people are confused. Even if you're using Facebook or using Instagram, no matter what platform, you have to know your audience, your target audience. My audience is motivation, lifestyle, and also with family. So if you look through my Facebook, as you can see, this is our family. We're stay-at-home parents. There's a lot of people out there who would like to be stay-at-home parents as well. I talk about some motivational, uplifting stuff, lifestyle, traveling. It's where I received my award down in Florida, legendary. Went to Disneyland, as you can see, on our trip. We're heading back down there shortly again. This was me speaking on stage. I never go anywhere without the baby. See, it was tiny back then. So just going to dive into the content so you guys can know exactly how it works. So think about the target audience. When you create your Instagram account, you want to set it up as a business page. Now you have personal page, and then you have business page. With business page, you can advertise. You could pay Instagram to advertise maybe your picture or video or something. That's something that you're going to pay for. But I'm going to show you some free ways how you can generate leads and sales from Instagram. Now, the first thing you want to do, make sure your bio is clean. The reason why you want your bio to be clean, because if you post a picture and for some reason it ends up in the news feed or the Explorer page on Instagram, when someone clicks on it and they look at your bio, what are you trying to tell them? What is it that you do? Are you like here, as you can see, we love to travel, so I put World Traveler. I put, this is my wife business as well. She's changing it over. I put digital marketer, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. I'm involved in that. So I do affiliate marketing, and also I put click a link. So you look on here, I put my link. The only time you could put your link inside your Instagram bio, it's only if you have a business page. If you don't have a business page, there's no way you can add your affiliate link. Now, you guys can write this down. If you want to shorten your affiliate link, go on bit.ly.com. So bitly.com. Sorry, Baba. bitly.com. So you want to go on that website. Now that is a free website. You could take your affiliate link from the back office, and then from there, you can just put it here. So what I've done is I went and purchased a domain name, which you could get for really cheap, like $9-10. Because remember, this is your business, guys. So you have to treat this like a business. This is not a hobby. This is not a fly-by, get-rich-quick scheme. This is a long-term thing. Maybe some of you want to use this for 5-10 years from now and then open your own digital business. So affiliate marketing is a great way how you could start to get to where you want to go. So that's why I'm emphasizing on this. So I went and got an affiliate, not an affiliate, a domain name and I forward my domain name to an affiliate link, check out my other YouTube videos. You can find out that as well, how you could do that. And if you look on here, right, if you click on this, boom, click on the link in my description, it's going to take them to my capture page. It's loading up. Probably going to take 10 days. So it's loading up. It takes me, you see, I can start an online business. There you go. It takes them straight to my capture page. I created my own capture page. And over time, you will learn this stuff. So if you're fairly new, don't get all confused with all the capture page stuff. Try to learn the basic stuff before you learn all the other things. So try to stay on path. Use the affiliate link that's in your back office to try to get some leads and sales. So we put that in here, right? So for example, if you click on one of my pictures, right? If you look through here, I put hashtags in here to try to target my audience. As you can see, like beautiful, love, happy, you know, children, fashion. Not because people who search for hashtags on children or family or lifestyle doesn't mean they don't want to know how to make money. So once you do that, right? See, look at that. I'm consistently getting leads. Once you do that, you want to get your hashtags going. So you could get like, you could use up to 30 different hashtags. And yes, you could use 30 different hashtags. Hashtags that are basically towards whatever niche you're trying to target. So you could do some hashtag research. How to do hashtag research? It's very easy. You could just come here where, if you're on your phone, where it says search, right? You could type in, let's say, make money. Make money. Make money. So if you type in make money, right? If you look here, you see over 2 million people are searching for this hashtags. And over 2 million people already use this hashtags. So if you scroll all the way to the bottom of make money, you can get like subdomains hashtags that are affiliate. I don't think it's showing. It's not going through here, but let me click on. All right, so I'm going to click on make money. Make money. Let's click on make money. Make money and make money. So if you look on here, right? Look at all these. See all these people posting stuff about make money. Everybody here, lifestyle, everything. This guy just showing his WhatsApp information. All this stuff about make money. You know, people are posting stuff about make money as well. So you could type in hashtags, make money online, make money for beginners, make money as a entrepreneur, make money as a stay-at-home mom hashtags, stay-at-home dad, lifestyle hashtags, engineer hashtags, quit 9 to 5 hashtags, people in the restaurant hashtags. There's endless of hashtags because people are always looking for ways, not because they like it, for example, if you create like a page with dogs, right? And you just want to create you want to post dogs or cats. Not because people like dogs and cats doesn't mean they want to make money. So what you do is, let me show you again. In here, like in the description, you could say like here, I put where they can follow me, or you could say, click on the link in the description for more information on how to make money. Tag 3 friends if you want to. Tag 3 friends who you think would like 2018 to be better. So now when those 3 friends are tagged, right? In the post where you say, click on the link to learn how to make more money, right? They're going to go to your link. They're going to check out this. They're going to be like, oh, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, digital marketing. Who's this person? Let me see. And then they see here, click the link, right? You already told them on your picture, hey, click on the link below. So when they look at on your bio, they're going to want to click on the link. You click on the link. When they click on the link, it's going to take them to the capture page. And that's where you get leads. That's where people are going to enter their email. After the email, of course, they're going to probably want to check out the video or whatever you have to offer. And then if they like it, they buy it. If they don't like it, maybe 5 days, 10 days, or 15 days later, they'll be like, you know what, I'm going to see the system. They do their research. They find out that the company is a real legit company and people are actually making money from the company. Then they will sign up. So that's how it works. So this takes time because, one, you have to post consistently. Every 2 hours you have to post using different hashtags to get people to follow you, engage in. One thing you should not do, stay away from following people and unfollow people. That's a big no-no. You will get shadow banned. You will get like your accounts shut down and all that stuff. That's when Instagram just came out. That's like way back when Instagram just came out, right? So when Instagram just came out and people are trying to grow as many people as possible, right? That's when you could do the follow unfollow method. But right now, you have to grow it organically, try to get lots of likes, but it's going to take time. You will make money from Instagram. You will generate leads, you will get sales, but it will take time, just so you know. And Rome wasn't built in one day, so you have to consistently do the work, keep posting. Now I don't post as many times as I'm supposed to because now I build up a following, and these people, they actually like wait for me. Like I engage on their posts, I like their posts as well, like I comment on their posts. It's a communication. You can't be like trying to sell. It's like you have to build that relationship, and that's how it is. So how to get free leads and sales using Instagram. That's the way how to do it. Feel free to use that as well. No matter what system you're promoting, this is just there's way more to it, but I don't want to confuse more people. If you guys would like to be a part of my Facebook group, feel free to join the Facebook group. And my Facebook group is all about value. If you guys join my team, right, you will get tons of bonuses from me. That's how it works, you know. You sign up with me, of course I'm going to give you bonus, right? But anyways, hope that video kind of cleared things up, and click on the link below if you haven't joined my program, you haven't joined the system yet, and I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, quick video. Peace, one love. Yeah, man.